Oh, damn, there's a lot.
Oh, what happened? Oh.
It's raining men.
It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men.
You got this, I believe in you. The power of friendship and all that.
Shit.
My Oshi has failed.
Oh. Oh, well, this is awkward.
No,
Wait, I'm your Oshi?
not with that performance.
Fuck! Hi, everyone. I found this guy on the fucking streets. I don't know. He looked cute. And, we're playing Risk of Rain 2. Let's fucking go. Thank you, Panzer. Love you.
We're to call Twitter the streets.
Oh, please. It is the streets. You kidding me? Alley-oop.
So that's why they say she belongs to the streets. Perfect place to find her.
On God, on God.
Yes, I need seed.
He needs your seed.
I need everyone's seed in me.
You heard it here first, folks. You heard it. I'm gonna take seat backsies. Okay.
Only cowards take seat backsies. I ain't no coward.
Oh, mama didn't raise no bitch.
Oh, you're dead?
I'm dead. I'm dead.
I didn't even... I thought my god was still with me.
Your god has abandoned you.
Unfortunately.
Don't get sucked in. Don't get sucked in. You'll instantly die.
Fuck.
That is not the suck you want.
I mean, I'm getting peer pressured by like 10 guys into doing it, so I don't know. I took your fuel array.
Okay. If you take critical damage, you'll explode and die with that. So you know. But it does unlock a new character.
If I use it, or like, do I get
yeah,
him?
you have to get to the abyssal depths, and then there's a thing you can.
Why does
use
this
it on.
game come with like 500 steps before I can get something? Why can't I just pick this up and I just get the character?
Oh.
Let's just do this.
Oh, you just didn't care.
No foreplay. Straight into it.
We don't have the items for this.
I died instantly.
I don't have any lifesteal because you booped the fucking teleporter.
I thought this was a good plan.
No, it was not a good
How?
plan.
Because someone is trying to live in their past prime of being an ultra Risk of Rain player while
I'm still an
while
ultra Risk of Rain player.
falling off.
Literally all I needed was a green, but no, you couldn't wait that long.
I want to see that. I want to see that. Let's see it.
Bet say less. Bet say less. Give me time to cook. Bet say less.
You cannot cook.
Let me cook.
Kind of bully her a little.
No, don't bully me. I'll come. Wait, can I say that on stream?
Yeah, you can say that. The unexpected part. Anyway.
I don't know. I've just been kind of doing shit. I haven't gotten bonked yet, so you know.
I always figured it was kind of weird that all these places have some mystical alien creatures, and then this one just had buffalo as the enemies.
Right?
It was a nice while it lasted. But all good things must
If
come.
you hadn't fucking died! No,
Ah! Listen, I was saying I'm bad, and then here you are throwing me a monsoon.
you were fine until you weren't.
I know, it's that thing where your friend plays godly in somehow the worst possible game. We've gone from one spaceman game into another spaceman game.
Yep. Oh, lag.
She lagging my balls. She's copying my dancing. Look at it. Stolen moves.
Cause I'm a lazy ass motherfucker.
True.
Oi. Ah! That's scary.
Ooga booga.
Yeah, you're right. The creatures can't hear
Oh
me.
fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! That was like 2 seconds! Fuck! That was like 2 seconds! They said it took like 10 seconds to actually do it. Also, do I hear piano? What the fuck is that? Why do I hear pianos? Left me behind.
I didn't have a choice. You were gonna kill me.
Honestly, I was hoping you would try and lead it to the quicksand or do something to like try and get rid of it. I don't know. Something a little.
I wasn't gonna go back inside alone, so it wouldn't have mattered.
First of all, the quicksand isn't inside, so why would you go back inside? Okay,
I mean, to get shit, like there was no point in anything else. I was just gonna leave.
How can you be a great asset to this company when when you won't even go in?
I'm a bitch. What do you want from me?
Listen, we at least want a big bitch, not a little
that's
bitch.
not me.
You gotta go in and give them some attitude.
I got a plastic fish too.
You're just adorable, aren't you?
No.
Hold on. That's what we do. That's how you make girls giggle. Just pull out the whoopee cushion. Oh my god, I thought the bragging got you. I was like,
No.
I like heard your voice fade. I'm like, oh damn, did it get her? Oh, there's that motherfucker. Don't look at him too much, but look at him enough. Why are you like directly in my back?
I'm scared.
At least be a little out so you can help me look wherever the fuck he is.
No.
Oh, there he is. Don't stare at him. Don't stare at him. Run! Fuck! God damn it. You stared at him too long. Fuck me! You can grab one more thing.
Why aren't you grabbing things? I'm so slow now.
Because you're gonna be the first one to leave, so we at least get something out of here. Wait, we need at least someone to survive. If we be splitting up items, then we're not gonna leave faster. Oh my god! Fuck! Okay, leave. Get the fuck out. Is she gonna go for my body? No. Nope. She's like, no, I'm not brave. You know, for a second there, it looked like you put on some cojones and we're about to go in and try and get my body, or go in and go get another item. And this time we didn't die.
And I wasn't a bitch.
Oh, you were.
No.
No, I have 3 small items.
Oh my god! See, he almost fucking got me. That's why you're supposed to be looking.
Was looking.
Shh. Okay. Motherfucker, run!
I didn't mean to scream. It startled me.
Everything startles you.
I'm baby. I'm just a baby.
Bubble. Now we go. Oh my god! Spider! Fuck! Right away!
Well, shit.
Watch it. Fuck! Hurry up! Run. Oh god, there's 2 of them. There's 3! Fuck! Fuck! Oh god, the bees!
Oh my gosh!
Ian.
Oh,
What?
behind you. Right
What
down
the
that
fuck?
hallway I saw a tail.
Like, what kind of tail? A doggy tail?
I don't fucking know, bro.
Well, it's kind of important.
All I saw was and then it moved away.
Is this where you drop the keys? Oh, fuck! Hurry! Run back! Oh, it's a thing. It's the parasite.
That's what I saw.
Now you know what the hell you saw.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
I'm not
Oh,
that
no.
heavy.
Yeah.
Fuck! God damn it! Now we got content with the bees. All right, sprint. God damn it! Oh, we try so hard, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. 84.
We even grabbed my flashlight.
Yeah, I mean, it was right there, right next to your body and everything, so easy enough.
You do care.
I know, I brought back your entire ass body. For half. We worked hard. I can't go up this, what the fuck?
Oh, I can't either. What the fuck?
The tree! What the hell is this tree? It's stopping us. What?
The
There.
company finds hunger to be a great motivator to work hard. Oh my god.
Oh,
Flashbang and tattered metal sheet. Damn, look at you, loot goblin. Just like in Risk of Rain. A little paranoid then.
shut the fuck up! I got startled. No, buddy.
What?
Remember what we said. Stop getting
Alright.
greedy.
Alright. God, now you're acting like my wife. Where you running, you coward?
Back to the ship.
Coward.
Not a coward. We're not leaving. We just want to put shit.
What?
Behind you.
What? God damn it. Imagine getting eaten by this motherfucker.
Ow.
That's for dying. You deserve a bonk. You swing and you miss. Ow. It was good. I will see you or message you sometime later in the future. I don't know.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.